Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in the Shopify Dawn theme. Welcome to the tutorial. Changing the font in your Shopify store can significantly impact its appearance and user experience, giving it a fresh and personalized look. Typography plays a major role in your store's overall feel. It can make your site feel more professional, approachable, or even playful, depending on the style you choose. Whether you're looking to make your heading stand out or want a more cohesive style throughout your entire website, adjusting the typography is a crucial step. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the site editor. Once you're there, look to the left panel where you'll find a gear icon. This is your gateway to the theme settings, so go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you'll open up a variety of options that will allow you to customize how your website looks and feels. These settings control everything from your color scheme to typography, so it's a vital area for fine-tuning the design of your store. Next, focus on the typography section within these settings. This part of the theme settings is where all the magic happens. It's here that you're able to select different fonts for your headings and body text. When choosing fonts, it's important to consider legibility and style. For instance, a clean sans serif font might be perfect for your body text, while a bold serif font could make your headings pop. Consider choosing fonts that complement each other and align with your brand's identity. The right font can communicate the tone and style of your business, whether you want to convey elegance, modernity, or friendliness. So think about the message you want to convey through your font choices. For example, if your store sells luxury goods, a classic serif font might be more appropriate, whereas a casual clothing store could benefit from a modern sans serif option. Additionally, within this typography section, you'll also have the option to adjust the scale. This feature lets you increase or decrease the size of the text, making your headings more prominent or your body text easier to read, depending on your preference. Playing with scale is an excellent way to ensure readability and draw attention to key areas of your site. For example, you might want to make your headings larger to grab attention, while keeping the body text a comfortable size for easy reading. Don't be afraid to experiment with the size to see how it impacts the overall look and feel of your store. Keep in mind that consistency is key. Ensure the scale is balanced throughout the site for a cohesive design. Once you're satisfied with your font choices and scale adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button within the editor, usually located at the top or bottom of the panel, and give it a click. This step is important as it ensures that all of your customizations are applied to your live site, allowing visitors to see your updated style immediately. It's always a good idea to preview your site after saving to see how your changes look in real time. If something doesn't look quite right, you can easily tweak it further. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font in the Shopify Dawn theme. It's a straightforward process, but remember, the fonts you choose can make a significant difference in how your site is perceived. A well-chosen font can elevate the professionalism of your store, while the wrong choice can make it harder for customers to navigate and engage. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations and styles to find what's just right for you and your brand. The great thing about Shopify's Dawn theme is that it offers flexibility, so you have the freedom to explore and make your store truly unique. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in crafting a beautiful and engaging Shopify store. Remember, little design changes like adjusting your fonts can make a big difference in your store's overall appeal. See you next time!